right there. So we can bring in our expert criminal defense attorney, Ashley Bargan-Quest. Thank you so much, Ashley, for joining us here today, watching along with us, Rusty Barton. And the judge has already said, although the state has called him as a witness, that he is associated with the defense. He's not a hostile witness. He is associated with the defense. What's your first impression of him so far?
Thank you for having me. And I think that his introduction is going great. He's coming across as kind of a small town salesman, not a big fan of, extroverted activity, but kind of charming, right? He feels very down to earth. They're really setting him up to be kind of believable and a little bit lovable. I think that his repeat of the attorney's statement, yes, I are, and then the kind of, oh, sorry, yes, I am, was great. Like that's gold to get a jury to like and enjoy a witness.
And he's so such a good citizen, so to speak. The fact that he can say he was born and raised in the town where he lives. He's now 71. He still lives there. It's his heart. It's his home. He has 2 adult daughters. Those are his joy. It just seems like maybe he wouldn't hang out with someone who's capable of murdering their own husband. Do you think the jury's thinking about any of that yet?
Absolutely. I mean, I think that anytime you're in a trial, the jury is always watching a witness, half listening to what they're saying and half trying to figure out what's not being said, right? Like, where is this going? What kind of evidence are we going to get from this person, right? This individual is just being introduced right now, his background, who he is, how approachable, like you said, that he's a good citizen. That's all being set up. But the jury is waiting to see where he fits in the puzzle.
Yeah, and I am too, because I can't wait to hear some of the details of what he actually knows. Law enforcement already testified that they spoke to him at his home and he didn't know a lot about anything that had happened to her husband, the victim in this case. So stay tuned. You'll stay with us, Ashley. Coming up, we will have more from Melody Ferris's lover, Rusty Barton. Plus, we will have an update from the toddler in a landfill murder trial, why Leilani Simon says she could not have killed her 20-month-old son. That's up next.